Yeah, hello, yeah, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I want to do a withdrawal for we all to see if this crypto AI bot is really working and it's really like ready for withdrawal and stuff. I've seen people commenting that, oh, bro, you don't withdraw for us to see. That means you don't watch the full of my video. So today I want to do a withdrawal proof video for you all to see. Yeah, so stick with me. So I have 477.91 here, right? Yeah. So you let me trade first, but the focus is to withdraw. Yeah, so you let me do this because like it's about to knock 12. Yeah, so before I have to withdraw, I have to transfer the money from regular wallet to what withdrawal wallet. So this is how I'll be doing it, and it's free. So regular wallet to withdrawal wallet. So I'll withdraw 450. 450. Okay, so let me add the fees to it. So let me add 3 to it. Yeah, for fees. So you can see that right now I have 453 over here, right? Yeah. So then I'll go down here. I'll go down to withdraw. Withdraw. Yeah. So this is the withdraw. So here I will enter the amount I want to withdraw. That's 450. 450. And I'll go to my Binance wallet and copy my BEP20 USDT. Deposit USDT. On-chain deposit USDT. And then I'll choose BEP20 and I'll copy my address and I'll paste my address over here and I'll click on request withdrawal. So you can see that withdrawal request submitted, right? Yeah, so if I come to my notification, you see that I've submitted what's a withdrawal, right? Yeah, so let me go to my Binance wallet to show you something. So if I come to my Binance wallet here, you can see that my spot trading, my USD I'm holding is 3,000. So let's wait and see whether it will reflect or not. Yeah. Yeah. So now I've received much of that. I have force. My withdrawal has been accepted. So let me open my notification here. This is what withdrawal approved, right? Withdrawal approved 450 is what approved. So let me go to my Binance wallet and check and see if it's really in. So you can see that it's in. So let me go to my assets and refresh my page. Have you seen the 450 is in? Have you seen it? Yeah, the 450 is in. So if I go to my history, let me go to my history, my assets history. Okay. So you can see that the 450 is what is in. Time, you can see everything is in. 450 is in. Yeah, so this how you make money with the bots. So I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.